We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The Hakka traditionally bury their dead, so another name for a funeral is returning to the mountain or Huanshan. Before burial, rituals were performed according to the person's status. At the moment of death, a silver dollar covered in red paper was placed in the deceased's mouth to prevent the spirit from leaving. An oil lamp or candle was burned and a bowl of rice or a boiled duck egg offered at his or her feet. This was known as 脚尾饭. The ancestral shrine was covered in red cloth and red couplets over the door were replaced with white funeral scrolls. At an auspicious hour, the body was placed in the coffin amid the sound of gongs and wailing. The casket was then sealed with 4 nails at each corner. If the person died at home, the coffin was placed in the house with the head of the deceased facing inside the house. If the person died away from home, the coffin was placed in the outskirts to prevent bad luck from entering the house. Large amounts of paper spirit money were burned, while the deceased's offspring knelt on the ground, waving knives in the air to prevent lonely ghosts from stealing the dead's riches. Unlike other Chinese, the Hakka hold a short wake, usually burying the dead within a week. Hi, this is Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Silly, silly, silly Alice. I am very silly.
因為阿蚊爭來咯。
哈？爭來呢？爭來了嗎？我們才剛開始又要爭來了啦。你在說什麼？
我係講啊，因為阿蚊爭來呢，就是你為什麼會這麼慢才來？
哦，我跟你講失禮啦，是上次我們學過了，我終於知道怎麼講對不起了。我跟你講，因為真的是這個路上塞車，所以你剛剛那句話，等等，我要學一下。因為阿蚊爭來呢？Why did you come so late? Because, there's traffic on the road, really, it's so unpredictable here in Taiwan. So we need to know, how should I say this? If I'm really late because of traffic, 到底要怎麼說呢？
因為路上塞車。
因為路上塞車。塞車是塞車是不是？Let's break that down. 因為 because 因為嘛，對不對？路上 on the road 路上。塞車切茶好像要切茶哦原來是塞車的意思啊切茶 Alright, thank you very much. And I'm Joseph Lin.
安子西張來了
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.